You make me winner. You cut me loose and set me free.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Maya Bradley, and in today's video I am filming an everyday makeup routine, and with the table set up like this I kind of feel like a news anchor, if you will. So grab a snack and I'm gonna drink some of my Celsius. Oh, I zoom you guys on in. Okay, so I zoomed you guys in a little bit more. So we're doing an everyday makeup routine, and I love makeup, but on this channel we mostly focus on hygiene and lifestyle videos, but makeup just has my heart. I'm an amateur, right? You know, but I like watching makeup YouTube videos and learning from them, so I hope you guys will like this video as well, and comment and subscribe. You know, I have 137 subscribers now, and I just feel like we keep going up, and I'm just so thankful to God and thankful to all of you. So hit that subscribe button, join the fam, join the squab. Not the squab, the squad. And let's get into some makeup. My handheld mirror ready to go. This is from Fenty Beauty. It is all marked up and nasty, but the mirror part is clean. So first we're gonna start off with the NYX Pore Filler Primer. So I really like this primer because if you look up on costdna.com, it's a website that where you can see the ingredients to see if there's going to be any ingredients that might, you know, irritate your skin. And this has 0. And I was like, yeah, I have really sensitive skin. This is perfect for me. Does it keep my face matte all the time? Not really. No, not really. It does the job, but I'm also very oily. So I'm not like wet, if that makes sense, but it's kind of hard to keep the natural oils at bay. So I just kind of put this all over my face. It does kind of create like a lighter cast, like a little lighter white cast. Like I wouldn't go out just wearing this on your face. By the way, I already prepped my skin and, you know, applied my sunscreen. It's like the first thing I do. So next, and I'm sorry, but my brushes are dirty. Wow, Maya. But this is real life. You know what I mean? This is real life. So I have this Too Faced Born This Way matte foundation. I have a video on my channel about whether I liked it or not. Obviously, if I'm still using it, I liked it. So I just kind of dot my face all over, and I really like this foundation a whole lot, and I think you guys would like it too. I know the regular Born This Way one is really, really nice. Like, everyone likes that foundation, so. Okay, so before we do a concealer, I just want to talk about my shirt. My boyfriend got this for me. It was like our first year dating. It says straight out of shape, but B, I don't give a F. Alexa, play I'll Take Your Man. I picked it out, but I loved it because I'm out of shape in terms of if I walk up the steps, I'm breathing very hard. So, sorry if you can hear the lawnmower. They're mowing my neighbor's lawn. So let's get into some concealer. So this is the e.l.f. Camo Concealer, not the hydrating one. I have a new one already in my drawer because it would be like my 3rd or 4th purchase. I love it so much. It's my favorite, but I am in the market for something that I can wear like when I'm not really wearing foundation, because this is a full coverage foundation really, so I kind of don't want to wear it all the time, you know what I mean? Like I just want to wear something very light but covers my dark circles, you know, covers my age, if you will. And also the brushes that I'm using for my foundation and concealer are from Rare Beauty. I am obsessed with the concealer and foundation brushes. Like if you want some kind of middle of the road pricing for makeup, then I would check out Rare Beauty's foundation concealer brush. because I like it a lot. My other brushes are just from Amazon. I think I paid, what, like $13, $15. You know, Amazon prices change within the hour, so. So next I'm going to take my Laura Mercier in the shade medium, translucent medium deep, to set my eyes and face. I've had this for like, it feels like over a year, and there's so much left. And the crazy thing is, I'm like, dang, like I kind of want to try Patrick Starr's powder. But honestly, guys, I know this is like an everyday makeup look, and like if I did wear makeup every day, this is how I would do my makeup. But I don't wear makeup every day. And I think it's also too because I had such bad acne that I was just like, okay, to get over the acne, you kind of have to take breaks. And I'm not gonna lie, being in this pandemic, God bless everyone that's lost a loved one due to the pandemic. I've had COVID and it is awful, but in the pandemic, superficial stuff we're going to talk about right now, it's kind of like the best time to have acne because you can kind of hide your acne with your mask, but then your mask also gives you acne, you know, that maskne. But what I would do is just like, I have a video about, you know, using sulfur, and that's honestly, and Curology like saved my skin. And I'm actually going to make a video about like the best skincare to use, you know, if you have sensitive skin. And obviously you're going to have to check with your dermatologist or your esthetician, you know, before use. So let's do our eyebrows. So there's several different products I use for my eyebrows. It's mostly NYX products and maybe the Maybelline like Fit Me pencil. That moved. But when I'm lazy, and I mean lazy. Did I already say this? Sorry if you can hear the lawnmower. They're mowing my neighbor's lawn. I don't know. I like to use this. I originally got this for my mom. She didn't really like it, and I think it's because her eyebrows are thinner than mine. I used to have really, really thick eyebrows when I was younger, but this is the Kosas Airbrow in the shade Brown Black, and I'm shocked it worked because I have very black eyebrows, but when I'm just really lazy, I kind of do just this, and then I might actually, and then to really set it, I set it with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. It just is easy for if you don't really have scarce eyebrows. I actually need to like do my eyebrows. I kind of use this like electric eyebrow razor to really clean them up, but I kind of like the wild bushy look, if you will. So I think I'm going to take this sort of light tan color in the e.l.f. Bite Size just to kind of brush it onto my lid. And I'm just using Real Techniques eyeshadow brushes. I don't know what this is. It's like rubbed off. It's like a crease shadow brush, I guess. I don't know. When I watch YouTube videos and they're like, I'm using the E520 brush, I'm like, that's cool. I ain't about to go out and buy all your brushes. I mean, do people really, does that matter to people? When they're like, oh, I use this one? Because it honestly doesn't, I'm like, that's great, use it if it works, cool. But I guess some people are like, oh, if they're using that brush, then I should use it, I guess. So I'm gonna go into this Color Sticks Coffee Creamy Matte Coffee Shop. I have a little glitter left on my eyeshadow brush, but it's working because this doesn't have glitter in it. On ColourPop, they do have some that have, you know, metallic or shimmery shades that I want, but I wish they would come out with even more like matte ones of like different browns and stuff like that. And It's so pretty. It's so pretty. I love this shade so much. So now I'm going to go into the No Budge Copper Chic from e.l.f. I really like these, especially if you're not someone that likes a lot of like eyeshadow palettes and stuff like that. These cream shadows like really get the job done. People be sleeping on e.l.f. sometimes, like people I know. Or just sleeping on drugstore makeup, period. Like, I went through that phase. I was like, oh, I have to kind of, if it's makeup I need, because it'll be like worth it, then I need to buy kind of pricey makeup. And it's just like, that's not true. And that applies to hygiene too, like hygiene products. Like I used to like that Laura Mercier lotion. Like, you do not need to spend a lot of money on products. You just really don't. And it's crazy to me that we all think we do. And there's some products that you just love and you just want to spend money on, but I'm just kind of smoking that out a little bit. But then there's other products and you're just like, I don't need to do that. First of all, I'm going to take a little bit of the shimmer and this Bite Size just to kind of add a little pop of something on my brow bone, distract from the little hairs that I got going on there. Okay, then I'm going to take this Amazon brush that I don't know what it is because they didn't write it on there. And I'm going to dip into this black. I kind of just like to do this to on my top eyelash just to kind of make it look thicker, like the illusion of that they're falsies, but they're not. And then I also want to take, they have some of the best eyeliners, like gel liners, is from ColourPop. The Sunnyvale eyeliner, and just put that in my waterline a little bit. Yeah, I like that grudgy look. Okay, I don't want any highlighter on my face. Sometimes I like highlight, sometimes I don't. Now that my skin's like a lot clearer, I'm like, oh, I have planned some highlight. But I'm like, I'm scared. Like, I don't do bronzer. I don't. Just for what? Okay, so I was gonna do this Lancome blush, but that's sold out everywhere. So I'm gonna do my putty blush in the shade Bali. If you're trying to get into cream blushes, e.l.f. like, what are these, like $6? Like, look at this. And I bought one of their like putty, this is like for their putty primers. Yeah, putty primer applicator. I use this for the blush, and someone said to use it for their bronzer because it's like in a small container like this. And I was like, well, I'm gonna do it for the blush. It just fits so perfectly in there. And you could put it on top of powder. It doesn't look dewy. Some people like dewy cheek blushes, but it ain't my thing. Ain't my jam. So. Okay, so now I'm going to take a Minted Bare lip pencil and line my lips. I forgot to do this step. I'm going to do my setting spray. This is the Kenchi Stage Proof Matte Setting Spray. Let that sit, and then I'm going to do my lips, and then I'll do my mascara after. Setting in my eye, it's an eyelash. So this is the NYX Lip Lingerie in Deep Mesh. I'm going to add some Essence Clear Gloss. I think this is like $3. It's really nice. Yeah, I'm one of those gross people that like puts it on colorless and then dips it back in. And last but not least, we're going to add the Voluminous Lash Paradise Waterproof Mascara. I like the regular one. I don't particularly like the waterproof one. I think it's just too wet. And I just think it's too wet of a formula. Okay, I'm going to zoom you guys on in so you can see the final look. Okay, so this is what the final look is looking like. For every day, I wouldn't have used just a dark lip. I would have just finished it off with the Minted Bare Lip Liner and then the Minted Bare Lipstick for a more everyday natural look. But it is fall time and I am feeling this dark lip. But like I said, it just kind of comes on kind of streaky, but it's drugstore, so I'm like, okay, I'll deal with it. But this is just how the face is looking. I really like it. I think it's really pretty. I think it is natural. I like that we didn't use an eyeshadow palette. It was just those, really just like 3 products for eyes. And I mean, you can't beat it. You cannot beat it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you guys very soon. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you guys have a lovely rest of your day. Bye, guys.